This is not comfortable. Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I have an empty house tour. Obviously we have since got some furniture here, but we actually moved this past weekend into our house. We got our keys and obviously I had to film an empty house tour because duh. And if you guys notice in this video, I have two different outfits on. It's because at one point Cody kind of covered up the mic when I was filming, so that's good. But that being said, I hope you guys enjoy this super casual tour. Obviously, I'll be sure to give you guys tours and stuff as the rooms get all completed and stuff. And make sure you're subscribed so then you can be notified every single time I post a moving vlog, which are always fun. So let's just go ahead and hop into the tour. This is the living room of our new place. It's amazing, it's big. And one of the things we didn't think we were actually gonna find was the place that had all hardwood floor. Just look at it, it's so beautiful. We have like this little storage situation. We can't really fit much in there, but it's still good to have because it's the little things we didn't have in the old place. And then over here is Cody's room. The other guest bedroom, we're gonna put a couch in here, like the one that is in our current place, well, after we get our sectional. Is it for here? Forever?
I don't know.
Well, that's that. This also has really good lighting, but it's not my room. Here is the guest bathroom, or just the downstairs bathroom. I love the tiling and everything in here. It's so perfect. I love it. Okay, and then over here is the kitchen. And I forgot how pretty the kitchen was. And it's a lot bigger than we remembered, which is good. We're gonna put a table here. Yeah. Not big cookers, so we don't really need a lot, but I need an entire cabinet for snacks. Well, that's the basement. It's an entire like storage unit. Not as creepy as I remembered it. As you can tell, I don't remember much, but it's still really creepy.
But it's a Nashville basement, so it's like half unfinished, which is weird.
The next morning.
This is the office. Yeah, the natural lighting is, and I'm gonna put a hanging chair there. I'm super excited. It comes on Monday. And then I have a little closet, which is nice because our master closet doesn't like hold long dresses. So that's handy.
Yesterday.
Dun, dun, dun. A full-size washer and dryer. It's prettier than I remember. Look at that. And then there's even storage right over here. I don't know what we'll put here, like cleaning supplies. I don't know.
So you can put the hamper for the clothes.
Excellent. And one of my favorite parts of this entire place is this bathroom. Look at the lighting. It's just so pretty. It's like not super yellowy like most bathrooms, but double sink. We got this like storage thing. So it'll be nice to have. That's the bathroom. And then here is the master. It's not the best lighting in the world. At least right now it's not. I'm sure it gets better, right? So we're putting our big bed here. Oh my god, I never had a bedroom this big. Over here is our creepy closet. That's huge.
Mm-hmm.
Good lighting in the closet too. Would you look at that? And then the same thing is down there. But yeah, that's it. That's the tour. You've seen my bathroom. You've seen my basement.
Don't say it.
I don't remember how it goes. So that's the tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Until next time, I'll talk to you all later. Thanks for watching. Bye.